Flowers are the reproductive parts of plants and are important in creating a new generation that has mixed genetics. Reproduction is how new generations of plants are created. Basically, the two methods are asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction is often called cloning, where a part of a plant starts a new plant. This pod has a plant that grows new plants from its rhizomes. The new plant is identical in genetic makeup to the original plant. Therefore, we have reproduction without the exchange of gametes. Sexual reproduction requires gametes. In plants, these are pollen and egg cells. These cells are haploid, meaning they only have one set of chromosomes. The gametes come together and fuse and make a zygote, which will develop into a new plant. Flowers come in many shapes and sizes and colors and formats. Let's take a look at the various flower parts. The more vibrant and visual parts are the petals and the sepals. The petals are normally colored to attract pollinators and provide the showy part of the flower. The sepals are often a leafy-like structure at the base of the flower that often comes from the material that covers the flower bud. The male sexual organ is the stamen and is composed of the anther, where the pollen is formed, and the filament, which holds the anther away from the base of the flower. This allows for the pollen to be on the outer part of the flower, so it is easier to be transmitted. The female sexual organ is the pistil, and is composed of the stigma, which is where the pollen is taken, and the style, which holds the stigma outwards on the flower. The ovary is in the basal part of the pistil and is where the egg cells or ovules are found. Once fertilized, the ovary will develop into a fruit and the ovule will develop into a seed. Flowers are therefore important parts in the life cycle of the plant. We can call the flower the gametophyte, as it is the part of the plant that produces the gametes.